Fucking hell. There's Ben, but that guy just crashed up nearly. I didn't film it because I'm a douchebag. Fuck off 134. No one likes you. Rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. Feet. I'm sorry, but my shoes are awesome. Just look at that. Pow! And this car is gay. And this guy this is the winner, pretty much, because he's pretty much a fast motherfucker, and he comes here all the time. These guys are. There we go. Second and third, fourth. And I'm pretty sure you guys can count because I can't be asked. And I can't pass 4 to be fair. Yeah. Stick! Midget. And here's Ben. Oh, nice! Yes! Yeah! Dickhead span. 134, again, I'll say it again, no one likes you, fuck off, you dickhead. 113, you're right, I don't know why, I don't think you're a dickhead for some reason. But you, 105, I will kick your mum in the nan, alright? There's a woman over there laughing at me, I don't like it. 136, go away. I don't like it. I don't, not that woman. Not, this is a dude. That woman over there. Fucking rain, I hate it. Baghole, douchebag, wasteman, complex. That's Ben, but he's a paedophile. 133, you're gay. Where's 134? I want to abuse 134. Here he is. 134. No one wants you in this world. Your mum should have had an abortion. I'm just joking about the abortion bit, that is. 140, high. 105, move your ass. Rainbow's gone mostly. Oh, it's causing an earthquake. Oh, look, it's shaking. Look, the car's falling up. Ah, I'm a crazy chick. Here they are, coming in the pit lane. In the pit lane. 120. Here they come. 124, 123, 115, 112. There we are, here they come. 130 and 116. Yeah, Ben, hello. 133. Right, where's 134? Yeah, shriveled dickhead. I want to kick him in the fucking mummy. Yeah, that's what I said. I don't know, why am I bullying 134? I don't know. He was in my face. He was there, so I bullied him. There he is, 134. Get out, you dickhead. Get out. Thank you. Hurry up, Blake. There, 144, 141, there we go. And that's the end of the race, and also the end of the rainbow. See? It's only just going. That's a shame. Bye, rainbow. Bye-bye.